Mr. Cage's thought of the day, ponder face to consider. It is imperative to understand what the author or narrator was trying to convey before we put our own understanding on what he or she was trying to convey. It's important for us to understand the author's viewpoint or point of view before we try to take their thought, he or she, and put our own understanding on what they were trying to convey. When this takes place, many times you can find yourself in conversations, and as soon as a person makes a statement or a word that you don't agree with, you reject it. And what it does is that it minimizes what they have to say and what they were trying to convey, and it maximizes your understanding and you wanting to be heard, or me wanting to be heard, or us wanting to be heard. What does that result in? That results in disharmony in relationships, broken trust, arguments, debates, equates to a waste of time. I've experienced this in my life, and I've seen this in the life of others, where it was so difficult for a person to receive what somebody else was saying because they automatically felt that the person was wrong, but the person was speaking from their viewpoint. And many times when we reject these statements real fast, it's associated with pride, which is connected to unforgiveness. And it's also connected, if we go deeper, it's connected to I don't trust people. Because when I was 7 or when I was 11 or 12, I put my trust in somebody that was an authority figure. Maybe that person was a parent. Maybe that person was a grandparent, uncle, auntie, teacher, and they broke trust. So now I internalize that and I live my life from a place of pride. And when anytime somebody says something that I don't agree with, without me understanding what they're trying to convey, I reject it because I put my own understanding on somebody else's thought. We put our understanding of someone else's thought without understanding what they're trying to convey, we place a limitation on ourselves. We place a limitation on what that relationship, whether it's in a romantic fashion, personal fashion, and family, sibling to sibling, peer to peer, and professional fashion. We place a limitation on how far we can grow and how far we can go. This is Mr. Cage's thought of the day, and a word to the wise. When a person makes a statement to you that you don't understand, ask a question, not to respond, but for understanding of what that person was trying to convey.